Okay, so today we are going to make our coffee bots. We have our coffee can and our glue sticks. We take our glue sticks and we glue them to the bottom of each side here. Then, after we do that, we have our wheels, which are holding up the coffee bot so the coffee bot can run. But before we can do that, we have to look at our motors. So our motors will make the wheels run. And we have our transistors here. And these will these will connect to the battery supply, the motors, and the wires. We have, and our little board. So, Arduino. We also have our bottle tops, and we have our little boards.
What do those transistors do?
The transistors?
Yeah, what do they do?
The transistors, they help it decide when to turn off and turn on.
Okay.
And this is called the
headers.
And what these do, we can solder them with the soldering iron to wires first, and then we can stick it right in there.
Okay. Ruthie, what do you have over here?
I have photo transistors.
Resistors.
They limit the amount of electricity allowed in depending on how much light there is.
Okay.
And this is a soldering iron. It's used to melt the solder onto it and make the wires stay in place. These are our resistors. They limit the amount of electricity allowed in because we don't want the bulbs to burn out or anything.
Okay.
We have the glue gun to glue the popsicle sticks on, just like Rosie already explained. And these wires are used to help us keep all the things apart and know what to use when.
And that's why they're
Different colors.
right. Okay.
Oh, Dad, I need it.
Oh, you need to describe something else, Rosie?
Yep.
What?
We have our battery supply. That way it has a switch on it, so we can turn it off and on.
Okay.
We also have our little battery here that will go inside this. We also have some extra parts here that you can decide to use once you make the first copy.
Do you know what these parts are? What's this one?
That one is, it can keep moving, but if we have the remote, we can steer the robot. But if we stop using the remote, these will still make it run, but it will avoid obstacles in its path. So when it comes to the wall, it will just turn.
Right. This is a distance sensor.
Yep.
So if it gets too close to something, it'll turn. And this
So
little
we
piece.
can move our remote.
Yep.
So when we press our on button, our robot will turn on, but we have to point it at.
And then we have these little things.
This is an LED. The resistors that we were talking about over here, those will help it so our LEDs do not burn out. Because if we do not have a resistor, then the power will blow out in this, and the LED won't work and it will stink.
It stinks?
Yes.
How do you know this?
Because it's hot. Also, if you accidentally touch this to the resistors over there, when it's on, when the battery is plugged in, then this could blow up, and it
Because
also
it creates
stinks.
what's called a short
power. A short
circuit. Yep.
Um,
Okay, so we're ready to get started. We'll record a little bit more here after we get some of the basics going. What are you doing, Ruthie?
twisting
Why?
So it'll stay.
Trying to what to the wire?
Strip it.
Strip
so I
it.
can solder.
What are you building over there, Joe?
The base for
And Rosie, what are you going to do to the base?
Color it. Is that good?
Just a little bit more there, Ruth. Go back the other way now. That looks very good. Okay.
It's very shiny. Is that one better than the last one?
Yes, it is.
Say anything?
Turn the light off.